Marshmallow root is a perennial herb that's native to Europe, Western Asia, and Northern Africa. It's been used as a folk remedy for thousands of years to treat digestive, respiratory, and skin conditions. Its healing powers are due in part to the mucilage it contains. It's typically consumed in capsule, tincture, or tea form. It's also used in skin products and cough syrups. Keep watching to find out more about the healing potential of this wonderful plant. 1. It may aid in digestion. Marshmallow root also has the potential to treat a wide range of digestive conditions, including constipation, heartburn, and intestinal colic. Research from 2011 found that marshmallow flower extract demonstrated potential benefits in treating gastric ulcers in rats. Anti-ulcer activity was also noted after taking the extract for 1 month. 2. It may act as an antioxidant. Marshmallow root has antioxidant properties that may help protect the body from damage caused by free radicals. Research from 2011 found marshmallow root extract to be comparable to standard antioxidants, although it demonstrated strong total antioxidant activity. 3. It may help repair gut lining. Marshmallow root may help soothe irritation and inflammation in the digestive tract. An in vitro study from 2010 found that aqueous extracts and polysaccharides from marshmallow root can be used to treat irritated mucous membranes. Research suggests that the mucilage content creates a protective layer of tissue on the lining of the digestive tract. Marshmallow root may also stimulate the cells that support tissue regeneration. 4. It may act as a pain reliever. A study from 2014 cites research that marshmallow root can act as an analgesic to relieve pain. This may make marshmallow root an excellent choice for soothing conditions that cause pain or irritation, such as sore throat or an abrasion. 5. It may help with wound healing. Marshmallow root has antibacterial activity that may make it effective in wound healing. The results of one 2015 animal study suggested that marshmallow root extract has the potential to treat gram-positive bacteria. Trusted source. These bacteria are responsible for over 50% of the infections that occur and include the antibiotic-resistant superbugs. When applied topically to rat wounds, the extract significantly increased wound healing in comparison to antibiotic controls. 6. It may help treat coughs and colds. The high mucilaginous content of marshmallow root may make it a useful remedy for treating coughs and colds. A small study from 2005 found that an herbal cough syrup containing marshmallow root was effective in relieving coughs due to colds, bronchitis, or respiratory tract diseases with formation of mucus. 7. It may promote overall skin health. Marshmallow root may be used to enhance the appearance of skin that has been exposed to ultraviolet radiation. In other words, anyone who's ever been out in the sun may benefit from applying topical marshmallow root. Although laboratory research from 2016 supports the use of marshmallow root extract in UV skincare formulations, researchers need to learn more about the extract's chemical makeup and practical applications.